Hi guys, today we are going to talk about BandLab. Most people don't fully know what BandLab can do. Let me show you what BandLab can really do. Okay, what is BandLab? But most people don't know BandLab yet. I know it, but most people don't know it. BandLab is like studio in phone studio. You can use to record song, mix and master a song. Yes, perfect is for free. You won't pay and you can use to split instrumentals for song, chorus and stuff. BandLab was found in 2015. Perfect app. Since then they are upgrading it. Let me show you what BandLab can do well. Okay, BandLab, I use BandLab to record all my songs like from alright, family pain, all my songs, never let go, all my songs. I use BandLab to record it. It's perfect. So this is from my own experience. I'm just telling you, but I have tried it and it worked for me, so I just telling you. BandLab can do all the things you want it to do. Before I discovered BandLab, I once entered BandLab. You can see BandLab to make beats, right? I teach you now in my last video. I teach you now always to make beats with BandLab. The first time I downloaded BandLab, and I don't, my mind no go say they use BandLab till they sing only to make a instrumental. I try making beats on BandLab. Each time I just delete the app, but I feel so stressed. So in couple years, one of my friends tell me use BandLab. I also let me just give this BandLab a try. And I try it. I patient. I try it. I learn it. I study it. I used to sing a lot. It's not easier. Everything there you can use your own effects and mixing. Effect that they already mix this effect for you on Afrobeat. You can use it for your song and you sound much better. That's how I use the BandLab before I start using BandLab to making beats. So it's perfect. It's easy. If you want to watch how to make beats, I don't want to show you how to make beats in this video. You can watch my last video. I'll tell you what BandLab can do. BandLab can make beats. It can be used for mixing and mastering and splitting instrumentals. Everything is on BandLab and it can still be used for distribution. Can you BandLab to distribute your song to all platforms? But that one you have to go pull. You have to pay 7K a month, something like that, to distribute your song. They will pay you. You can make a beat on BandLab, sing a song on BandLab, and still distribute it on BandLab. Everything is perfect with BandLab. For real. This is from my own experience, bro. Nothing more, nothing less. If you be wondering how can I pay for splitter to help me to mix my song or master my song, in BandLab you can just master it in seconds. They have an function there you can use to master your song and mix it. Song will be perfect and solid. For real, bro. This is no cap. I tell the truth. People don't tell you they want you to pay them. You're not paying, but you can do everything on your phone with BandLab. Stay blessed, my nigga.